a cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contours, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, wanna put pretty in my eyes.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from Ashimaryhair. They sent over one of their new units, or should I say like a new constructed type or style of unit. It's their water wave and busy strap snug fit 360 transparent lace frontal bleach knots pre-cut lace wig. This is how she's looking straight out of the box, and looking at the hairline, you can tell that the unit has been pre-plucked, which I am very surprised about, but also the knots, you can also tell that those have been pre-bleached. But personally, depending on how well this unit fits, I will be going back in and bleaching those knots again. As you can tell, the lace on this unit has been pre-cut, but if that's really not your style and you'd prefer to cut the lace yourself, you can request that they keep the lace on. They are offering this unit in 14 inches all the way down to 26 inches, and I received the 24 inch, and I just want to let y'all know right here right now, this hair is so soft. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. Now with these combs, you can easily remove them. All you have to do is just like pull them down, or pull them out rather. You don't want to pull them down, you want to pull them out, that way you're removing them, duh. But I've only seen one other company that has combs like this, and I like when companies do combs like this. I really like combs like this just because if you do decide to remove the comb, you don't have to take the potential risk of like cutting the lace. You can just, you know, slide down and be on your way. This cap also comes with a security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. But most importantly about this cap is that it comes with 3 crystal invisible adjustable straps here in the back. Now if you are a frequent wig wearer, then you know there's typically adjustable straps there in the back where you take the hook and then place it into the loop, and that will adjust the size of the cap for you. On this one, again, it comes with the 3 crystal invisible straps, and if you want to tighten it, you'll take either on this side or the opposite side. I hope you guys can see that, and you'll just pull it, and with you pulling it, it should adjust the nape of the neck for you. In my opinion, that's a very innovative way to like adjust the sizing of your caps while also still maintaining that comfort level. But let's go ahead and install her, and then after that, y'all know I'll really be able to tell you how I truly feel. Talk about this unit from Ashimaryhair. We're going to start with my cons first, and the first one is going to be, although I do like the crystal invisible adjustable straps, you have to be mindful of how tight you pull them, or else they won't necessarily break, but the end pieces might slip off. One thing I would recommend to Ashimaryhair is figuring out a way to help secure those a bit more, and I'm not talking about just like tying a knot on like both sides of them or something like that. I don't know, maybe insert, I don't know, maybe insert a metal clip or something that like stops the plastic knobs from like sliding off of the ends of the strings. I don't know, that's just something I would say be mindful of. My second con is going to be, give us a little bit more lace space by the earpieces, just because, I mean, I can't speak for you, but for me personally, I did have to go in and cut some of the lace off around the ear because, I mean, I don't want the lace sitting on top of my ear, and if it was like directly behind my ear, it would bother me too much where I wouldn't want to wear the unit all day. So I did naturally have to go in and cut some lace off, but I don't know, I just feel like if there was a little bit more lace, sorry, I keep looking over to the side, my mirror is right here, so I'm trying to make sure, you know, everything looks good, but if I had like a little bit more space, I feel like I could have cut even more and made it even more comfortable. It's comfortable now, but it could have been even more comfortable. My last con for this unit is going to be, I am getting a little bit of tangling here and there. Now, it isn't anything super serious, but I am getting some tangles, like I said, here and there. Now let's go ahead and move on to my pros for this unit. My first one is going to be, I really like the design of this cap construction. Now, I have only tried, one other 360 unit, and the hair on that unit was nice, but I didn't really like the cap. It was just too small. It was just, yeah, it wasn't for me. That particular unit was not for me. This one, thumbs up. I feel like it's big head friendly, it's fitting nicely, it's fitting comfortably, but it's also laying flat, and it's also doing what a 360 is supposed to do. Wait a minute, I take that back. I think I've actually tried 2 360 units. I want to say one was a synthetic unit and then the other one was a human hair unit, but whatever, this might be my third one, and I actually like this one. I like the fact that there is enough lace in the back to where if you did decide you wanted to like glue her down or something like that and wear her, you still had enough space where you could create like baby hairs or just pull out some hair, and you wouldn't have to worry about the cap being shown. I hope that makes sense. Now, speaking of glue, I am wearing this unit completely glueless, and I'm actually quite shocked, especially seeing as how it is a 360 unit. You would think that you would need all the glue in the world, but no, like, she really is glueless. Now, I don't necessarily know how I'm going to edit this video. I might have already shown you guys the shake test, or I might be inserting the shake test right here, right now. Either way, as you guys see, this unit is completely glueless, but she is still holding on for dear life through that shake test. Now, keep in mind, if I were to wear this out on a hot summer's day, I would probably use some Even spray or some type of glue, because I don't need her like slipping and sliding all over the place. But if I'm just sitting in the house and trying to be cute, then yeah, I'm gonna wear her completely glueless. I'm loving the thickness and the curl pattern of this unit, and I don't know if Ashimary like possibly got a new vendor, but something that I was noticing while I was like redefining the curls and whatnot is that I wasn't getting near as much shedding as I typically do with an Ashimary unit. And that's not me trying to be shady, because I have said in almost all of my Ashimary unit videos, unit wig reviews, girl, I have pretty much said in almost all of the videos that I am getting some type of shedding. But I want to say with this unit, and I want to say with the previous unit, I had, good lord, I have had very little to no shedding. Another pro for this unit is the amount of parting space that you get with this unit. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys earlier like where all you can part this unit, and you can have like some serious deep parts. Like, this is a true, what, 13 by 4? It might be a 13 by 6, honestly. Like, you just get a whole lot of parking space. Between this unit and the last unit that I reviewed for Ashimaryhair, I can't really decide which one is my favorite. Like, y'all are really doing a good job, so keep it up. Let me know what you guys think about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.